Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is a market update for Tuesday of May 11, 2021. Please click the button below to subscribe to our YouTube so that you'll be updated in the current market. As you noticed in the last Thursday and Sunday video, I was warning you that the market will be in the correction. It was selling high on Monday and Tuesday, and most of the stocks are in the mud, and we will see more volatility in the coming day. But some of the stocks still hold up very strong in some sector, and I'm looking for more uptrend. And I will, that's what I call a diamond in the mud. And I'm going to go to those charts so that you can take a look. After that, I will do the market update on the S&P 500, Nasdaq, Dow, Russell 2000, oil, gold, and Bitcoin. So stay tuned. First of all, let's take a look on the energy sector. Stock still hold up very strong, even though they pull back a little bit on the last couple of days. So the first ticker symbol is PDCE. So this symbol is, as you can see here, this one is they come up, they test the first time they fail, so they pull back down, and people will buy right back in. So if they can clear this resistance level here, and then you can see that will be more potential to the upside. And the financial sector, the bank stock would pull back the last couple of days too, but some of the stock still hold well. So one of the stock I'm going to show you is BOCH. Okay, so this one here is also very strong. Even the market is going down, but this one is trying to find a way to break out here. If they can clear this area here, you see that will be more bull coming up. All right, and one more stuff that I'm going to show you for the summer coming up. So the outdoor summer entertainment and those things that should be doing well. So one of the stock I would like to show you is VSTO. Okay, so that's a bit outdoor. So this one is the same thing. So this one is they pull back, but the last couple of days market go down, but this one is to find a way to put it back up. So if they can clear this congestion area here, you see more uptrend in the future here. All right, so that's the three ticker symbol that I have for you. Besides this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we handpick about 5 stocks every week or even more, and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and target so that you can follow. You know that trading is a very risky business. It's not a get rich quick scheme. You need to learn how to analyze and read the chart with the right technical analysis and understand the market psychology so that you will know where to get in and where to get out. Because a lot of people, they able to get in, but they don't know where to get out. And then, well, market turn around, so they waste all their time to hold up the stock. You need to be in the community so each member will get support and mentor every day and get guiding every morning in our future live trading room so that you can make some extra daily income, so that you can ask any ticker symbol for swing trade and get answer to confirm your thinking before taking a trade. This is the time for you to invest in your education so that you can survive in this volatile market. Now I'm going to do the market update for you. So first of all, let's take a look on the volatility index. You can see that today the wicket shoot back up. They hit right into the resistance that, like I mentioned earlier. So they break out of our trend line, they hit to the resistance, they pull back. So let's see tomorrow if they pull back further south to fill up the gap here. In the market, we're looking for some kind of rebound. But if they continue to go up, we're looking for the next level of resistance right there. Okay, so let's see. You see more volatility come in for this month and next one. So you have to be fasten your seatbelt and then trade whatever the market direction, all right, to tell you to do. And now let me take a look on the 10-year Treasury note. After they pull back to the support on Sunday, they put it back up. Now they try to crawl back up again. So this is very important. If the 10-year Treasury note continue to put it up high, they will put more pressure for the technology stock. But if they give up here, they pull back down again, then the technology stock will be able to rebound. Let's see how they lay out tomorrow. And look at the S&P 500. The last couple of days, they pull back down a little bit. So right now, we are looking some kind of go up and retrade, go up and retrade. So, but overall trend is still bullish. But in the short term, you see that will be more volatile, and then we fortify the support, and then they will turn around. And look at the Nasdaq, the technology stock. They fall hard the last couple of days, but look like they try to find a support here. So tomorrow, if they're able to push it back up, and then they have a chance to rebound a little bit. But if they don't, they continue to go further south here. And if you look at the Russell 2000, it also have a trouble. They slam it down, but they have a support here. So they are still stuck into the rainbow of this triangle here. Okay, and look at the Dow. The Dow is also the strongest one, but they cannot survive when the market correction. So the last couple of days they drop. So let's see tomorrow they will pull back before they continue. We looking for something further to get a support here before the market will be stabilized. Okay, so every time you see they pull back, come back down, they pull back, come back down. So in this month and next month we will see it more volatility come in. You see it up and down, but they will go toward the south side until they be able to stabilize, and then we can continue to the uptrend again. If you look at the crude oil is still hang on to the upside. This is upper support line. They still hold up very well. Every time they pull back, it means that they still have potential to put it to the uptrend. And gold is they pull back down yesterday. Today they pull back up. People, the buyer step back in again. Seems like we have room to put it back to the upper downtrend line here. And if you look at the Bitcoin it try to hang on to the support level here. They have the gap, to be filled here. They also have a sell zone to test there, so they need a lot of work, to put it back up. Right now they still hold up to the upside. Okay, as long as they stay above this line, it's still bullish. Okay, but in the other hand, the Ethereum is very strong though. Ethereum, because the price is so cheap compared to the Bitcoin. So people still hold on very tight there, and then hopefully they will continue to go up there. So this is they punch to this level of resistance, they pull back, but the buyer still hold tight. So this is the next level of the resistance that we have to watch out. Okay, and if you, I think that other than that, all the sector, the market is still in the correction. So you have to pay attention to see where they're heading to. So, all right, so that's all I have it for you today. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up like button below. Thank you for watching, and then good luck in your trading. I will see you in the next video.